In this video, we will discuss the Intercom app on a CP5 or CP5i control pad. Note, Intercom messages and replies can only be edited in the A-dec Plus app. Begin by pressing the Options menu button. Next, select the Intercom app. Here you can scroll through received messages using the up and down arrows. Reply to a selected message. Return to the Settings menu and create a new message. Use the More button to scroll right and view text that is too long for the screen. To send a message, select New. Select your desired recipient. Choose your message and press Send. When you receive a message, you can either dismiss or reply to it. To respond, press Reply. Select your message and press Send. Press the chair icon at any time to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.